Hi, my name is Hasse and I work as a service technician at Voith in Hudiksvall, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your SafeSet. The parts and tools that you need is a new shear tube, a M8 pulling screw, a flashlight, a torque wrench, a hydraulic pump, the right specified oil, and personal protective equipment. Each SafeSet has an individual serial number. Use the correct manual for your coupling. If there is a protective device covering the shear tube, remove it. Remove the broken shear tube. And remember that your SafeSet can have more than one shear tube. Check that the shear tube hole is completely free from dirt. Take the new shear tube and tighten it to 35 Newton meters. And then unscrew the shear tube by half a turn. The next step is to pressurize the SafeSet. If there is a protection plug, remove it by using the M8 pulling screw. Make sure that the oil port is free from dirt. And then you can connect the pump hose. Check what torque is required for your equipment. Each coupling has an individual serial number and calibration diagram. Set the pressure according to the calibration diagram in the manual. Now you can start to pressurize by closing the relief valve. When the right pressure is reached on your gauge, you can tighten the shear tube to 35 Newton meters. And this makes the coupling pressurized and completely leak-proof. And the next step is to depressurize the hose by opening the relief valve. Disconnect the pump and reinstall the protective plug. Reassemble the protective device if you have one. Your SafeSet is now set to preferred torque limit. Wait for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, you can start your machine again. And if you have any further questions on how to reset your SafeSet, please feel free to contact us by email or by phone. Thank you.